Hi, Jeff Salmons with Houseworks.
Hey everybody, I'm Pam with Inspect It Like a Girl.
And I'm Jason from Fix It 101.
We're going to show you a few tips on how to maintain your home.
Let's say you got a remodeling project and you don't know what to do with Grandma's oven. Well, I decided I love this. I think it's got a great cool factor. So what I did is I took all the chrome off and sent it to a metal shop and they re-chromed it for me. Then I had a car bodywork guy come in and reconfigure the top, and I dropped a G profile range oven, which is about 5 or 6 years old, right down into it. So now I've got a working, cool old oven or range. I used the bottom for storage because I installed a wall oven in another part of the kitchen. So if you've got old stuff, rethink how you might be able to use that.